If you're looking to get a smooth blow dry fast, there are 2 suitable products in the range for that. So I'm just going to tell you about them so you can make your decision. The first one will be the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. This one comes with a smoothing nozzle, just like this, so a nice controlled airflow, and it's very strong, very powerful to get a nice smooth blow dry. You'd need to use this alongside a brush as well to get the finished style. If you have a particularly strong kind of a kink in your hair, you also have the option of an even narrower airflow. This one's called the Styling Concentrator, so it's super thin and great for blasting out anything like that, again to use alongside a brush. So if you're not so skilled at using a hairdryer and a brush, or you find it difficult to manage, the other product in the range that would get you a smooth effect nice and fast would be the Dyson Airwrap styler using the smoothing brush attachment. So with this one, it's more of a one-handed job, so you can literally just glide along the hair like this, brush blow dry from damp to dry using the smoothing brush for a smooth finish nice and quickly. So it really depends on your skill level which one you would opt for. Both are going to give you a smooth result nice and fast.